Two Souls is going on a run! The Reindeer Run! A cold, wet, rainy reindeer run, but that's alright, we're gonna get it done.
And let's bring those
we're gonna have fun.
Car and then one side, then the right.
I got my new shoes on. We're trying to warm up and give you a little intro to what we're doing. But this lady keeps talking over us, but that's okay. We're trying. Here's our Two Souls. We are here and we're gonna make it happen. Reindeer Run in the rain.
I like that. Other side.
All right.
Looky tree. And the right.
I'm cold.
I know, but I did it. Oh, is this your video that you do? Yes.
That we do, yes. Two Souls, yes. These are Two Souls.
You better put that in the video.
But hey, you and Robin.
So you
Look at this soul. I mean, she decked out. She decked out. Thanks, Robin. Where are we, Megan? We're at the running store. Why? Because I'm gonna get new shoes. Yeah. She couldn't help it. All the running that's happening around her, she just is getting sucked in. She is sucking me in. I'm kind of excited to learn and see what my body can do. I've never liked running before, so here's to my brand new adventure. And we have a 5K on Saturday. So she's gonna like try it and just see how it goes. But then we're gonna do some real training. Run on Saturday, run. Yeah, I mean, we realize this isn't the optimal way to do it, to buy brand new running shoes 4 days before you do your first 5K ever. But, you know, it's an adventure, but we are going to plan this and have a real training program and do a 5K. But right now, we just had an opportunity and we're like, you want to do it? Yeah. And let's do it. Yes. Yeah. Always. Yes. Cool. Because we are up for adventure. Yay, adventures. Okay. Because we do what? Oh, cool, hard. Two Souls. So we are in a running store, and this is what Megan is wearing to try on running shoes. But it came from work. Hey, as long as you have some socks. I have socks. Okay. I always have a problem with my hiking shoes when they're too big.
So size matters?
Size matters.
Yeah.
Good to know. Smaller is better. Say, are you saying yes to the shoes? I'm saying yes to the shoes. Yay! Here we are, finish line. Still drizzling a little bit. Feels kind of good. And done. How'd it go, Lyndon? Good. Feel good?
My knees hurt.
Yeah. Here comes your mama. Buffalo style in the house, I tell ya. Woo woo! Yeah! Nice job, nice job.
Sorry, mate.
I came to get you.
Yay, thank you.
Because two souls can't finish alone.
Did you finish though?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I finished with Robin.
Okay, good.
And then, well, actually, Lyndon got like second place.
Oh, Lyndon,
Yeah.
holy crap. Hi. Dude, we did it.
Woo! So Megan, you just finished your first 5K.
Yeah.
Wait, let's just preference this with untrained
Untrained.
and brand new sneakers.
Brand new shoes, never run.
So
have
this
no idea how to run.
not the way we're supposed to do this, but we had an adventure offer and we jumped on it.
Yeah.
So how do you feel?
I feel good. I didn't feel good. Like, I don't know miles, right? But somewhere around Main Street, I was like, this sucks. And then I did those hills, and I was like, I walked the hills. And then I was like, I got this, and I ran almost the rest of the way.
Yeah.
It felt good.
So the normal feeling is you're all energetic and you start and you're like, this is awesome. And then halfway through you're like, why the f am I doing this? And then you get to the end, you're like, this is awesome. When's my next race?
Well, you know my feelings in the beginning. Were, you
Right.
guys do this for fun?
She's like, I don't understand your idea of fun.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense.
But I think we have a runner.
Yeah, it was fun. I liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the Christmas tree guy made it in. Woo! Just trying to get the after party.
You gotta get yourself in the after party. There we go.
So we just wanted to say peace, adventure.
Have adventures. Spread love. Bye. Peace out.
Two souls.